So let's suppose that you want to determine the future value of a graduated annuity. So if you initially invest $1,000 and you're going to increase that investment by 6% every year for the next, you're going to do this over 5 years at an interest rate of 8%, we want to know what that future value is. So you can see here the formula is quite complex, and the reason for that is the rate that it's growing at is 8%. Number of periods remains at 5. But in essence, we use what we did in the previous video, getting at that present value of the nest egg for retirement. We use a similar type formula in that. So let's see if I can actually hop into that. Present value function, I can indeed. So number of periods is 5. The payment is 1,000, but the net rate is 1 plus the growth rate divided by 1 plus the increase percentage. Subtract 1, so that net rate is 1.88% that's growing every year. So this gives me the present value of that. And then I can take this that's now a lump sum and put that into the equation as a part of the formula with respect to the PV to then get Excel to get me the future value. So that valuation would be 65, 55, 12. So in other words, if I deposit $1,000 every year beginning next year, and I grew and I increased how much I paid by 6% every year. So for example, year 2 would be 1060, etc. I did that for 5 years at an 8% interest rate. I would expect that account to have 65, 55, $6,555.12 by the end.